So we're modifying the Etokki Omni today, and we're just putting Sanwa buttons, like Sanwa silent buttons, in place of the standard Sanwas, because they just sound better and feel better. Anyways, on the back of the stick, you can see that there's just a bunch of screws. You undo them one by one, and it comes out easy. I don't know how much I recorded of this. Oh, this, right? Look at my dumb ass. They're like tiny ass screws. So the screws on the back of the Etokki Omni are tiny, so you don't need a screw for ages. And they're magnetized as well, which is very nice. As you can see also, I have a like grip on the bottom of it. The previous owner of this stick put that on there. And yeah, so the back plate, like the bottom, just pops off, and every single button and PCB part and switch and lever and everything, it's all attached to the bottom of the top of the stick, which is really nice. Now just undo these wires, you just pull them out, and for the buttons there's two clips on either side. You just push them in and then push the button through, and they just fall out. And what am I doing here? Wait, what did I record? Am I struggling? Okay, these aren't really that hard to do, but apparently I was struggling while recording it. Am I dumb? Alright, anyways. Come on, you can do it, bro. You got this. Come on, my G. Alright, now they're out. And that's the difference in the sound and why I wanted to change them. Now putting the buttons in is easy. You just literally put it on through the top and click them down. Just push them through. Nice inhale. Yep. Then to put it back together, you want to put the wires back on. And put pressure on the back of the switch, or else it'll pop through like what just happened there. So have your hand at the back of it, or put it on something flat if you can. And they should just go on easy like that. And they're installed. Now, what am I doing? Oh, here. Okay, just putting the screws back in. And the screws are really short, so don't thread them. Just a really quick burst and they'll be screwed in. Yep. They're thocky and they're not clicky. Here's a sound test and also some gameplay as well. This is my second day using a Taeyong Fanta, so I'm still not used to it, so please excuse the dropped electrics and the really bad timing of my perfect electrics. So already I think you can tell that the standard Sanwas are way louder. They also hurt to use, to be honest with you. So when you're playing a lot, like really long sessions, having the Sanwa silence, because they're a little mushier, it can help your fingers feel a little bit better after like really long sessions. Also, my consistency with electrics is better with the Sanwa silence than it is with the standard Sanwas. Yeah, that's the sound test and that's the end of the video. Thanks.